Manufacturers, let's talk about a real challenge. With a complex ecosystem and growing customer expectations, it's challenging for you to scale your operations whilst keeping your supply, sales teams, and production all aligned. What if there's a single intelligent platform that can unify all of these processes? Enter Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud, deployed and configured by InspireXT Consulting. Let me explain how we do this. With account-based forecasting, we can help you plan your demand based on regions, sales teams, and business units. With seamless supplier and inventory visibility, we can help you predict disruptions by securing supply commitments and optimizing your procurement. AI-based insights can help you monitor your account health, sales team performance, and your profitability. But where InspireXT makes a real difference is that we help you build a sustainable business. Our manufacturing solutions are built to scale, means you are ready for tomorrow's challenges. Our solutions are value-driven, time-bound, and measured with impact. No more silos, no more uncertainty. We ensure that your supply chain, your sales teams, and your production are all aligned. Let's explore how InspireXT can redefine your business. Join me at Agentforce World to register soon and secure your place. I hope to see you there.